Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about my Arduino starter kits. So we have the Arduino Uno, the board. We have some flat. This is not a bulk, it's called an LED, and these are used in. It's already up in space. It is called a sensor. A sensor is which senses my hand is here and it's connected to the things. It will beep, 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 beep because the Mars rover, if it didn't have this, it will just crash. This is called a DC motor. You can power it by taking some electricity through wires or from your Arduino, and then here you go, your spinning motor. If you like, you can put a potentiometer and increase the voltage and decrease the voltage. For now, I have some potentiometers. The potentiometers are exactly the same. These potentiometers are called variable resistors. If I spin it this side, that means I increase that voltage. If I do it this side, if I spin it this side, it will decrease the resistance. And these are called jumper wires or jumper cables. These jumper cables just connect to one of these, and to make it longer, then longer. For this, I use sometimes these for these. So now, what do you think will happen to this LED? I just have to put it right here. I want to text me and tell me what will happen. I'll give you a couple seconds.